guys, we're out here digging a sidewalk, getting ready to lay down some gravel. I'm going to show you a little trick, kind of way we're setting our height for our gravel, because our sidewalk, the grading around it is not perfectly level. So see these little stobs I put in here? Just some little pieces of wood I had sitting around the shop. And you can see how this side here, where that tree is, it was higher in order to get down to good height over here. And we're going to backfill this with the gravel, but we want to be able to have enough. We want to, just put the right amount of gravel in here so that we put our brick, we pack the gravel and put some sand down and put our brick on top of the sand and have it just about flush. Come on, cat. So what we did is we take this level here. Oh, it might be hard to see this. We take this level and I set me a height of that peg's on about 1 inch of sand underneath this brick. So once I get that set, I used my hammer, but granted this isn't perfectly flat, so I hammered this, so I end up having to put it down a little bit deeper. But I made a little mark right there on my hammer at about 3 inches. The end of that hammer is about 1 inch. And so you can see there I'm gonna have about enough. That sand can fluctuate. And so those pegs are at different heights. And so that rock is gonna slope this way. And then a sidewalk will kind of turn as it goes around that tree and flattens out right there at the end, which is perfectly fine. But I'm gonna go down through here and put a bunch of these in place. And that way we get ready to put some rock down.